Kaylee, you want to go to bed?
No.
You want to take a nap?
No.
You want to rest?
No.
Maybe?
No.
Maybe just a little nap. Mommy's sleepy. You gotta fix that first. Oh, I know. You really want to make it work, don't you? Maybe you'll figure out after you go to bed. You want to go to bed?
No.
You want to go to bed?
No.
How about now? You want to go to bed now? No nap? How about resting? It's sleepy time. It's sleepy time. Oh, you gotta fix that first. Kaylee, you wanna go to bed?
No.
Where are you going? That's attached to me. You wanna go to bed? Kaylee, you wanna go to bed?
No.